Hi everyone, it's Alia or Cake Legend from TikTok, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys 3 easy ways to put writing on a cake. The first way is super simple. You're just going to want to take some fondant, cut it out, let it dry, and then take an edible ink marker and simply just write your message on the dried fondant. Super easy, super straightforward. For these markers, I've found them at Michael's before. You can also look on Amazon, and you just write with them like you would a normal marker. At work, we always keep lots of these plaques on hand so that when someone needs writing, we can do it right away. The second way to put writing on a cake is by piping it with buttercream. I always use small round tips for this, like Wilton's number 2 or 3. Just put your buttercream into a piping bag fitted with one of those tips, and if you want to practice before you do it on the actual cake, you can write on a paper towel or a piece of parchment paper, because once you do it on the cake, there's no going back. I mean, you can in some circumstances, but most of the time it's just like a one-shot type thing. So practice until you feel comfortable. As you can see, I kind of like steady my hand with my other hand and I'm like moving my whole arm. Am I? Yeah, I'm doing like very little wrist action, kind of. Yeah, most of the movement is coming from moving my whole arm. So just practice. You can do different styles of writing like I'm doing here, and then when you're comfortable, you can do it on top of your cake. And please, go slow if you need it. This is not like a race. You're in no rush. If there's room on the cake board, you can also do the writing on the cake board, and that way you're able to wipe it off if you mess up. On this cake here, you can see it's covered in a chocolate ganache drip, and all the decoration was on, so if I messed it up, I couldn't really go back. And some of you may recognize this as the cake from Coraline, so I kind of had to mimic the font that they had for the writing on the cake in the movie, which wasn't too bad. I just went slow to make sure everything looked good. So yeah, this is how it turned out, and that's the second method for putting writing on a cake. However, if you don't have nice handwriting and don't trust yourself to do buttercream piping, you can do an edible image or paper banner with the writing on it. So this one here is regular computer paper stuck onto a piece of fondant, and then it was dried with those 2 bubble tea straws to kind of get the curvy shape. You can just put it on flat too, or if the fondant's still soft, kind of curve it to the shape of the cake. And there you go. 3 simple and easy ways to put writing on a cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!